Why use Power Query? It is part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem with low-code solutions like Power App or Power Automate. This means that if you're not a fan of programming, you can still use Power Query unlike VBA. Power Query is part both of Excel and Power BI. Thanks to its connectors, it allows you to use multiple data sources. These are not limited to Excel or text files. You can also do web scraping or import a native PDF file. Power Query frees us from the 1 million row limitation of Excel and is efficient handling big files. Ultimately, this is a solution for automation. Think of all the recurrent processes of your company, the monthly reporting, the weekly flash sales report, etc. Power Query is a great way to do data cleansing efficiently in a unified process. This means no more multiple sheets, no more multiple formulas, and no more multiple Excel files.